This looks so weird, but it is really tough. It is tough. It's just turning the core.
Sure, because you need to be off your heels.
Yeah, the heels are up. Heels are up. And one of our students was in Nepal, where his son was stationed, and he said the tiny little monkey there actually does this. And you really work with a lower, this is the Sea of Chi, one of our friends and instructors has called this whole area, that works. But here you also work with the thighs, with the calves, with the ankles, and the muscles in the feet. Okay, now the monkey gathers fruit. Figure 8. And puts it here. Other side. Figure 8. And a circular move on the one that's up. One more. Now comes the bear. Bear. It has very small, very short, stubby legs and that enormous body on top. So it just imitate, and some people can do much wider than I can. And the feet should always be parallel. Try to sit lower there, so that you really, that the lower body does not turn and stays steady. Okay, now the bear takes. Bring the arms in on the contraction. Okay, now the bear pushes. And one more.